Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno15, and today I'll show you how we can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you will want to turn off your device, which you can do so by pressing the power button and volume up at the same time, like so, and then swipe down to turn off your device. Give it a moment, there will be a vibration that indicates that the phone has turned off, and when you feel it, you can then hold power button and volume down at the same time. And when you see the OPPO logo, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume down. Now I'm gonna overexpose the living hell out of this image, so bear with me, but this will actually make it a bit more manageable to see what's on the screen, as for some reason this is very dim and there is no brightness control. Okay, so this is a little bit better now. Let me just also wipe the screen off so we don't have the smudges. There we go. So you can, it's still kind of hard to see. There we go, a little bit better now. So we can see we have multiple languages right here, but the one that we're interested in is the last one, English, at least I am. So that's what I'm going to select. And when you choose it, you can see again we have multiple options. So we have format data, reboot device, and power off. Now format data, if you click on it, it's actually protected by a randomly generated code which you need to type in to proceed forward. And that's the only protection that it has, really. And then the two other options are just two ways of leaving this mode. So I'm going to select reboot device and confirm it by clicking on OK at the bottom. And this will bring me back to Android now. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.